Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to view all your saved passkeys on Google Chrome. Whether you're using Chrome on your smartphone, tablet, or computer, these simple steps will help you easily access every passkey you've saved all in one place. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account where your passkeys are stored. This is important because Chrome saves passkeys per account, so if you're not logged in, you won't see your saved ones. Next, look to the upper corner of your screen and tap the three dots, also known as the menu icon. This will open a small drop-down list with several options. From that list, select Settings. Chrome's Settings menu is where all of your browser preferences, privacy tools, and saved data are managed. Now, once you're inside Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on Password Manager. This is the section dedicated to managing your saved passwords, autofill data, and passkeys. It's fully integrated with your Google account, making it easy to view and manage everything securely. Inside the Password Manager, you'll see different options such as Saved Passwords, Checkup, and Passkeys. Go ahead and tap on Passkeys. Here you'll find a full list of all the passkeys you've created or saved. Each entry will show which website or app it belongs to and the account it's connected